Dear student, let us start few more concepts on this analytical geometry. Okay, now just I am considering any point here, and as we know that any point is taken as some x comma y, and also I am considering an origin. What is an origin? 0 comma 0. Gamana kodi careful again. I am considering any point x comma y and also origin what that 0 comma 0. Now I want to find out the distance of this point from where origin. That means distance of which point here x comma y from where, from origin. Okay, ಗಮನ ಇಟ್ಟು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Distance of x comma y from where, origin. So the distance of x comma y from origin can be denoted by d. What do you mean by d here? D is nothing but distance, which is given by square root of x coordinate square, that means x square, plus y coordinate square is nothing but y square. Is it clear? So therefore distance of any point x comma y from origin, the d is given by square root of x square plus y square. In other words, distance between the point x comma y and origin is given by d is equal to square root of x square plus y square. So now let us work some problems in connection with this formula. Okay, now find the look here, find the distance. Find the distance of following points from origin. Okay, look at the first problem related with this. So now the first thing is sum 3 comma 4. That means we need to find out distance of 3 comma 4 from where, origin. So consider the formula, distance of a point from origin, that is equal to square root of, what is that? Yes, you are right, x square plus y square. So that is given by square root of, what is x means 3 square plus what is y, 4, that is nothing but 4 square. That is equal to square root of 3 square andre 9 plus 4 square is nothing but 16, nothing but root 25. That root 25 is nothing but 5. What this 5? I can put units. So d is equal to 5 units is a distance of 3 comma 4 from the origin. Okay, look at the second problem. Minus 1 comma 3. Okay, now we wish to use the formula d is equal to square root of, what is that? X square plus y square. Have a look. That is equal to square root of, what is x here? X is minus 1 square plus what is y? 3 square means what? That means 3 square. That is equal to minus 1 square is 1 plus 3 square is nothing but 9. That is equal to what? Root 1 plus 9 is nothing but 10 units. That is d. So this is the distance of the point 1 comma minus 3 from the origin. Look at the third problem. So minus 8 comma minus 6. Both are negative. X coordinate is minus 8. Y coordinate is what? Minus 6. Okay, now we wish to use the formula d is equal to square root of x square plus y square. That is equal to square root of, what is x here? X is minus 8. So minus 8 square plus y is minus 6 square. That is equal to square root of, what happens here? 64 plus 36. That is equal to square root of 100 is equal to 10 units. ನೀವು ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು, ಏನು ಸರ್ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ರೂಟ್ 25 ನ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 5 ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ, ಬಟ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಯಾಕೆ? ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ವಾಟ್? ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ನ ತಗೋಬಾರ್ದು. ಈ ಒಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಬಂದರು ಇನ್ ಸಮ್ ಅದರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, ಸೊ ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ origin. Okay, now let us consider the 2 points here. Okay, just have a look. I am considering a point here x1 comma y1. I am considering another point here. What is that? x2 comma y2. So let x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2 are any 2 points. We need to find out the distance between x1 y1 and x2 y2. Distance between how many points? 2 points. That is given by, ನಿಮಗೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, d is equal to square root of, ಬರೆಯೋದು ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ, x1 minus x2 whole square, x1 minus x2 whole square, put plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Understand? This formula can also be written as d is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. You can use any of the formula. Is it clear? Suppose the 2 points are like this, a comma b and c comma d. Then what the formula become? D is equal to square root of a minus c whole square plus b minus d whole square. Is it clear? Now this is the formula. Suppose the problem is like that, x comma y and r comma theta. These are the 2 points. Then the distance formula d is equal to square root of ಏನು ಬರೀಬಹುದಾದ್ರೆ x minus r whole square plus y minus theta whole square ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದಾದ್ರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ d ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ? ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್? 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ನೌ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರಿಂಗ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಗಮನ ಇಟ್ಟು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ, ಗಮನ ಇಟ್ಟು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ and another point here somewhere. If I treat this as a and if I treat this as b, this distance can be taken as d is nothing but ab. It is the distance of ab. Suppose it is a p, it is a q. Distance between p and q is what? pq. It is g, it is p. Then distance between g and p is what here? gp. Agar ಇಲ್ಲಿ gp ಅಂತ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ meaning is the distance between the 2 point g and p. ab is nothing but distance between the 2 point a and b. Is it clear? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಅಲ್ಟಿಮೇಟ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನೆನಪಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು, ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, d is equal to square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. ಅಥವಾ you can use d is equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Let us discuss a few problems related with this. Find the distance between the following points. Find the distance between the following points. Okay, discuss ಮಾಡೋಣ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. ಗಮನ ಇಟ್ಟು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ತುಂಬಾ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. 4,5 and 2,9 I can take. How many points are there? 2 points. The first point can be treated as x1 comma y1. Second point can be treated as x2 comma y2. The d is given by square root of, what is the formula? x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So that is equal to square root of, operate x1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿದೆ 4, y1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೆ 2. ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 4 minus 2 whole square, ಮಧ್ಯ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ, plus 5 minus 9 whole square. That is equal to, what is 4 minus 2? 2. 2 square is what? 4. 5 minus 9 is minus 4. Whole square is 16. That is equal to square root of 20. Can I take 20 as 2 root 5? Along with that unit. So this is D. That means distance between these 2 points. Okay. Now look at the second problem. What is the second problem here? Minus 1 comma 3 and 2 comma minus 5 I am considering here. Okay. What is the first point here? This is x1, y1. This can be taken as x2 and y2. So what is the D formula? D is equal to square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. This becomes square root of, operate x1 minus x2 minus 1 minus 2. Okay, minus 1 minus 2 whole square plus y1 minus y2. Minus of minus become plus. 3 plus 5 whole square. That becomes square root of minus 3 square is what? 9. 5 plus 3 is what? 8. 8 square is what? 64. That is equal to square root of 73 units. So this is the distance between the 2 point minus 1 comma 3 and 2 comma minus 5. Agboda makla, this is what the distance formula. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಅ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಗಮನ ಇಟ್ಟು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ದ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ 1 comma 2, 2 comma 3 and 3 by 2 comma 7 by 3. Okay, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, is it? Therefore D is equal to square root of ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾನೇ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ. x1 minus x2 whole square ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2 whole square plus y2 y1 minus y2. What happens here? 2 by 3 minus 7 by 3 whole square. That is equal to square root of, take LCM here. What is an LCM? 2. Inside the bracket ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. So 1 minus 3, that become what? Minus 2 whole square plus, what is an LCM here? 3. 2 minus 7 minus 5 whole square. That is equal to square root of minus 1 square. Okay, this become minus 5 by 3 whole square itself. That is equal to square root of 1 plus 25 by 9. Can I? That is equal to, again 9 is an LCM here. So this become 9 plus 25. Okay. 9 plus 25 is 34. That means root 34 divided by 9 na root in the ಆಚೆ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ, since 9 is a perfect square, that become what? 3. So this is all about the distance of a point from the origin and distance between the 2 point x1 y1 and x2 y2. ಆಗ್ಬೋದಾಗಾದ್ರೆ? Thank you.